Okay, so now the teachers can log in, search for a student, and enter a move, but there's still another issue when they try to escalate or de-escalate a move. So if I click search, start to type the student's name, this is a first grader at Richardson, his page pops up, I can enter a move, so I can say that, to the buddy room, that, and I can submit. And then close, it'll refresh, we scroll down, there it is, significantly disruptive. So then the teacher, so again, I just scrolled down, it shows me where it's entered, but if I click movement, this will let me escalate to the focus room or de-escalate to the safe seat. So either way, if let's say I want to de-escalate safe seat, he's de-escalating, then this is when he's back. There you go, save, watch. Now it should be there with 2 moves next to it, but it disappeared. So there's nothing from this time that I just tried to enter it that shows, because it should be right at the top, that shows the significantly disruptive move to the buddy room and then that move back. So teachers can search students, enter moves, but they cannot escalate or de-escalate by clicking the movement button. Anytime they do that and click save, the whole move disappears.